Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a posture Pilates routine for you, so perfect if you feel you just want to stand up a little bit straighter or if you're getting a bit of upper back pain. When you're ready, go ahead and grab a mat and let's get started. So we're going to start seated, cross-legged if you can. Feel free to pop a block under your hips if you need to. Take a deep breath in. As you look up towards the sky, bring your chest up. And then exhale, round your back, look down between your legs, rolling off your sit bones. Inhale, lift the chest up, slide your hands down your thighs, and then exhale, rounding your back, separate the shoulder blades. Inhale, arching your back, look up, and exhale, rounding your spine. Just a couple more here to warm up the spine. Very similar to a cat-cow movement here. And then coming back up, sitting nice and tall. So a nice long line from your tailbone to the crown of your head. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides. Then inhale, just shrug your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, relax the shoulders down nice and slow. And then inhale, lifting back up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Keep going here. And the only thing that should be moving are your shoulders up and down. Try not to go forwards or back. Keep your upright position. Let's just do a couple more here in your own time. And relax the shoulders down. Then gently bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Take a breath. And then stretching the neck to the other side, left ear to left shoulder. And back again to the right. Really let gravity do the work here, so try not to strain your neck muscles. Go ahead and go to the left. Again, just let the head hang to the side. So no need to force that movement. Just one more to each side. And then coming back to center. Place your hands behind you, uncross your legs, and place your feet firmly on the floor in front of you with your knees bent. From here, lift your hips off just a little bit, and you're going to work on your shoulder blades still. So push the floor away from you to lower the shoulders away from the ears, and then just fall back down. Let the shoulders come up, let your body drop down. Push the floor away, lift the chest up, and then exhale. Just let it go. Let your body fall back down so your shoulders come up again towards your ears. Inhale, push into the floor, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. So what you're really doing here is actually using your scapular depressors to lift your body up. Let's just do two more. Last one. Very nice. All right, from here, come forwards onto hands and knees. And go ahead and find your neutral spine. Feel free to do a few pelvic tilts if you need to. And place your hands directly under your shoulders, knees directly under hips, so hip width. Take a deep breath in. As you lift your right arm up towards the sky, rotate your chest to the right. And then exhale, thread the right arm underneath the left underarm. And rest the shoulder and the head to the floor. Inhale, open up to the right side, rotate, reach the right arm up, and then exhale, threading through. Rest the shoulder and head. Last one, inhale, open up, and exhale, thread through. This time, hold the pose for a second. You can push into your left hand a bit to increase that rotation, increase the stretch. One more breath here. And then when you're ready, come back to hands and knees, and we'll repeat on the left. So inhale, bring the left arm up. Exhale, thread it through underneath your right underarm. Get your shoulder and head to touch the floor. Inhale, open up again. Exhale, thread through. Tap shoulder and head. Last one, inhale, open up towards your left side. Hand reaches towards the ceiling. And then exhale, threading through. This time again, holding the pose for a little longer. Making sure that your head and shoulder are rested, you can push into that top right hand now for a little bit more of a rotation. Last breath. And then coming back out of that position. All right, from here, come onto your stomach. Keep your legs long and close together. You can rest your forehead on the mat and bring your hands to a cactus position. So you want 90 degrees at the shoulders and 90 degrees at the elbows. Have the outer borders of your hands in contact with the floor to start. So your palms should be facing each other. On your inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades together gently and lift the arms off the mat. Keep the chin tucked and lift the head. Exhale, reach the arms forwards. Inhale, bend the elbows, and exhale, lower back down to the mat. Again, inhale, lift the arms up, squeeze the shoulder blades, lift the head. Keep your gaze down. Exhale, reach forwards. Inhale, bend the elbows, and exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, extend your arms. Inhale, bend. Exhale, lower. Let's do a few more. Lift, extend, bend, and lower. Option here to keep the head lifted as you do this. So you don't have to lower back to the mat every time. You can keep the head just slightly lifted, or if you need to, rest the forehead to the mat. Make sure you keep the back of your neck nice and long when you lift. Just two more here. Last one. And lower all the way down. Place your hands just near your shoulders and then push yourself up and back into a child's pose. Rest your chest on your thighs and just feel that expansion of your rib cage on your inhale against your thighs. Rest the forehead down. Keep the arms reaching long. One more breath here. And then come up to kneel. So hips resting on your heels if that's comfortable. Otherwise, feel free to sit cross-legged if you prefer, or high kneeling. Elbows tucked in by your side, palms up and in front of you. Keep your shoulder blades back and shoulders down. Inhale as you rotate the hands out to the side, but keep the elbows tucked in. Exhale, come back to the middle. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Keep going here. Really think about opening through your chest and squeezing your shoulder blades together as the arms rotate out to the side. But try not to arch your low back. You still want to keep a neutral spine, but you're focusing on the upper back and that shoulder rotation. Just one more here. And then hold the hands out. Reach the arms up, palms facing forwards. Then inhale, bend the elbows down by your sides. Think about making a W shape here. And then exhale, reach up. Inhale, elbows squeeze down your side. Exhale, reach up. Inhale, squeeze. Exhale, reach. Keep going. All right, this time you're thinking of squeezing the shoulder blades down into your back pockets. And keep space between the shoulders and the ears as you reach up. Last one. Inhale, squeeze, and then rest the hands down. Go ahead and make your way back onto your stomach when you're ready. Place your forehead on the backs of your hands, legs together again. In this position, just gently pull the navel away from the mat to keep your neutral. You should have the pubic bone gently pushing into the mat. On your inhale, lift the head and arms up. Exhale, reach the arms forward, keep the head lifted and gaze down. Then inhale, bring the hands back to the head, and exhale, lower. So option here to do the variation that we did earlier with your hands in a 90-degree position if that's more comfortable. Otherwise, keep going with this one. Inhale, lift the head and arms. Exhale, reach forwards. Inhale, hands come back to forehead, and exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, reach. Inhale, bend. Exhale, lower. Lift, reach, bend, lower. Let's just do one more. lower, then lift up one more time. Bring your hands out to a T, so 90 degrees here. Flip your palms forward so that your thumbs are facing up towards the ceiling, and then lift both arms up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Keep that head lifted and the neck long. You're almost done. Scoot the hands by your side, this time palms facing your body. Reach your legs long and squeeze them together, then lift them off the mat. So you have your hands and your legs off the mat. Hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Lower everything down. Gently rock your hips side to side. And then when you're ready, go ahead and bring your hands again underneath your shoulders. Push yourself up into hands and knees. And then from here, you can walk your hands forwards and lower your chest down towards the mat. So your hands are sort of towards the top of the mat, chest reaching down. You're getting a nice stretch through your upper spine. Now if you can rest your forehead to the mat, place your elbows on the mat, hands together, palms touching, and then bend your elbows to bring your hands behind your head. And keep pushing the chest down towards the mat. Make sure not to push into pain, and just take a deep breath in. If this is still too much for you, you can do a child's pose. And when you're ready, go ahead and come back up to kneeling with your hips on your heels. Take a deep breath in as you reach your right arm up and over to the left side. Exhale back to the middle. Other side, inhale, left arm goes up and over to the right, stretching through your left rib cage. Exhale back down. Let's just do one more on each side. Inhale, reaching up, stretch. Exhale back to center. Last one. Inhale, reaching up. Keep that space between the left ear and left shoulder. And exhale, lower down. And you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this little posture routine and hope you can incorporate it into your day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.